Hello, my name is Jackson Bell, and I'm an intro culinary student at the Gene Burton College and Career Academy, and this is the cucumber caterpillar sushi. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 whole cucumber sliced, 1 cup of sliced turkey meat, half a cup of sliced mozzarella, half a cup of shredded carrot, and 2 teaspoons of spicy mayo. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna hull out our cucumber by digging out the insides and leaving just the bottom. Now what you're going to do is you're going to want to cut these pieces of turkey into very thin slices so you can fit them inside the cucumbers. Like that. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your cheese, your carrots, and your spicy mayo all inside as a filling. And for your salt, you just want to pinch. Now, to make it look like a caterpillar, you can just add some little carrots as your little antennas. And this is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoy.